Hello, today we have in the vise a Abus D6. This has come all the way from Hungary. Normally I'd be using that, but it doesn't fit in that keyway, so I'm having to use a standard bottom of keyway type tensioner. Get that over there, and I'm using my Dongshi flat flag, which I can just about manage with in this keyway. Click out of one, click out of two, a bit of movement. Click out of three. Click out of four. Click out of five. Click out of six. And work out what's not set. One had dropped, and then we have a nice open. Lovely. So now we've got that, move that out of the way, and let's see what's inside it. I don't have a key for this because this is a lock that I got from John Doe Hoser. It's a case of having to pick it to gut it. That C-clip's on there solid. Because it's a nice taper to it, I can't even get the cutting tool behind it. 6 pins. So 1 looks like a torpedo, 2 is a torpedo, steel, 3 looks torpedo, 4 same, 5 same, and 6 same. And if you look at the car, we have got spool in 1, standard anti-drill pin in 2, spool in 3, spool in 4, spool in 5, and a spool in 6. Oh, so, nice little pick. Just hold them springs there. There we go. Right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.